In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for TripAdvisor. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable code you can add to print and digital materials so customers can quickly find your TripAdvisor listing and leave a review. First, open a QR code generator. You can use any free option you like. Some tools are designed specifically for TripAdvisor, such as Websites QR or JotForm, which often recognize and format listing links nicely. Generic QR code sites also work well. With those, you'll simply paste your TripAdvisor URL into the field provided. Before you start, have your TripAdvisor listing link ready. If you manage multiple locations or profiles, double-check you're copying the correct, public-facing URL so customers land exactly where you want them to. Next, generate the QR code. Paste your TripAdvisor URL if the tool asks for it, then click Generate. Most generators will immediately display a preview on screen. Take a moment to confirm it looks clear and has good contrast, typically black on white. Many tools let you customize the style, add a small logo, or include a short call-out like Scan to Review. Keep designs simple so the code remains easy to scan. If the generator offers a test function, use it, or quickly scan the on-screen preview with your phone's camera to ensure it resolves to your TripAdvisor page. If it doesn't, check that the URL was pasted correctly and try generating again. Finally, download and share your QR code. Most sites let you save it as a PNG, SVG, or PDF. PNG is great for general use and social media. SVG keeps it sharp at any size for designers, and PDF works well for print layouts. Save a copy in a clearly labeled folder so your team can find it later. From there, place it wherever your customers are most likely to interact with it. Add it to business cards, receipts, or email signatures so it's always within reach after a visit. Put it on signage at your location, like the front desk, tables, or checkout areas, with a short prompt encouraging reviews. Include it on your website or social media posts when you're running review campaigns. For print, keep the code at least 1 inch wide with good contrast and a bit of white space around it. For digital, test it on both light and dark backgrounds to maintain visibility. That's it. Open a generator, generate your code, then download and share it where it counts. Follow these tips, and you'll make it simple for customers to find your TripAdvisor listing and share their experience.